Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to calculate average in Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the top panel and click on modeling. From here I want you to select new measure, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the average of all the sales. Okay, so this is how you do it. So we're going to be using a DX formula. So we'll take the average of all sales. This is going to be the name of the new column. Okay, and it will be equal to, so we're going to be calculating. So the calculation is average, and we're going to be taking the gross sales from the sheet. Okay, it's called sample financials, YTD, and it's going to take all of the sales from this, and it's going to calculate. So just go ahead and click on enter and let it work on it. And now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and click out of here, and we'll just select this new measure we just made, and we're going to use it in the table format just to view this. And as you can see, that is the average of all the sales, and it's really that easy and simple.